Toyota's vision, the direct automatic transmission revolutionizing driving. In the year 2023, much of the automotive world is buzzing with excitement over cutting-edge electric motors and revolutionary battery technology, all destined for the next generation of electric vehicles. In this fervor for electrification, Toyota stands as a unique advocate for a more measured transition. While they are firmly committed to electrifying their entire lineup, they're keen to ensure it's a journey well-paced, believing that the venerable internal combustion engine still has miles to go. Toyota's chairman, Akio Toyoda, has been vocal about his anticipation of the forthcoming direct automatic transmission DAT and its potential to be a true game-changer. This new transmission system is not a signal of a retreat from innovation, but rather an example of their dedication to refining traditional technologies, aiming to enhance the overall driving experience. To validate their claims, Toyota enlisted the expertise of accomplished Japanese racing driver Hiroaki Ishura. His test drive of AGR Yaris equipped with the DAT showcased impressive performance, even rivaling that of a manual transmission, according to Ishura. The DAT-equipped vehicle exhibited an instant response from the moment the gas pedal was engaged, aligning with the driver's input in a seamless and linear manner. This synergy allowed for optimized lap times on the racetrack, highlighting the DAT's precision and adaptability. In Ishura's words, DAT senses when you're braking fully and downshifts for you to prepare for the next acceleration. It anticipates the actions ahead, just as we normally do when driving. This description underscores the DAT's capacity to not just react, but to predict, providing a more intuitive and immersive driving experience. The development of DAT has been underway since the latter half of 2020. And although it has primarily been tested in motorsport applications, Toyota intends to bring this innovation to the GR Yaris in 2024. The production version of the GR Yaris is expected to feature an 8-speed torque converter automatic transmission, showcasing the DAT's broader applications beyond the racing circuit. Ishura's commentary on conventional automatic transmissions elucidates the need for an evolution in this domain. He points out that standard automatic transmissions tend to feel slippery and lack the direct, tactile connection that enthusiasts often seek. In stark contrast, DAT emulates the behavior of a skilled driver manipulating a manual gearbox, promising a heightened sense of driver engagement. The genesis of DAT lies in Akio Toyoda's vision to share the joy of driving with a wider audience. With manual transmissions becoming increasingly rare, Toyota aims to preserve and evolve the thrill of driving. The focus of DAT isn't just on improving the driving experience, but also on expanding the accessibility of motorsport by eliminating the complexity of a manual gearbox. As the automotive landscape undergoes transformation, Toyota's dedication to enhancing conventional technologies like DAT reveals their commitment to crafting a more engaging and inclusive future of driving.